Hello people, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikita and today we are going to discuss about the eye care. The do's and the don'ts for the eye care. Firstly, we'll talk about the don'ts. First is stop smoking. Smoking is bad for your overall health and also for your eyes. It may cause cataract, macular degeneration. It will damage the optic nerve. Secondly, avoid the screen time. Watching screen continuously using phones, laptops causes dryness in the eyes. It is called computer vision syndrome, which is due to the strain on the eyes, which happens when you use the screen for the prolonged period of time. So it causes dry eyes, blurry vision, headache, sensitivity to light. Although the discomfort is temporary, it will keep increasing until you find the remedy to avoid it. Humans generally blink around 15 to 20 times a minute. So what you can do is after every 20 minutes, take a break, see a thing, look away to something that is 20 feet away and do this for 20 seconds. This can really help. Third is the skimping on sleep. Make sure you get 6 to 8 hours of sleep daily. If you don't get a proper sleep, you may have puffy, itchy, red, twitchy eyes. If you look at the screens close to the bedtime, that can interfere with the sleep. So make sure you're keeping all of your gadgets aside an hour before going to bed. Fourth very important thing is don't sleep with your contact lenses. This will increase the risk of eye infection. Also don't swim while wearing lenses. They might fall out or they might dry out in salty water. If there is bacteria in the lake water, which obviously is, so that can get on your contact lenses and it can cause infection in your eyes. Fifth very important thing is avoid the eye makeup. Makeup is fun, we all do it, we all like it, but you should be very careful while using it near your eyes. Make sure you wash off all the makeup at the end of the day. If you apply eyeliner or mascara close to your eye line, it will block the oil glands and cause a buildup of bacteria. So these are the 5 things that you should be avoiding. Now, what are the things that should be done? So the 5 do's for the eye care. Firstly, you must use eye drops for dry eyes. You can use Triphala Ghrut or even plain ghee is okay. Secondly, massage your feet with ghee or oil. To do this, you can use Kansyavati. I'll show you how it looks like. Now how to use this. So it is somewhat like this. So what you have to do is apply some ghee or oil on your feet and then massage the foot with this for 20 minutes. One very important thing to remember while using this is do not use any other thing than ghee or oil for the massage when you're doing it with this. Like if you have to use it on your face and if you put serum instead of oil or ghee, it will react. It will just peel off your skin. Because this Kansya, it is made up of the combinations of 3 metals, copper, zinc and tin. So it reacts very easily. So do not apply anything else than oil or ghee. Third thing to remember is always wear sunglasses when you're going out. It will protect your eyes from the sun's UV rays. Overexposure to the sun's UV rays leads to macular degeneration, pterygium. Also, sunglasses will keep the dust particles out of your eyes. Fifth important thing is check your blood sugar level. People with diabetes are at high risk of the eye diseases, may it be glaucoma or cataract or diabetic retinopathy. This is why they need examination at least once in a year. If you have diabetic retinopathy, you will need examination more often. So this is all for today. If you have liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.